Earnings season is here, and I'm going to bring you the best earnings charts every week. But first, if you want to invest in the options trade, be sure to watch my colleague, Dave Bartosiak. He's over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube, bringing you all the options trades for all of the, or many of these trades. And you might want to tune in over there if you want to know how to play them, because he's very good at covering how to do the options on most of these. So check those out. It's now free. You can just subscribe over on YouTube on Zach's Live Trader, and you can check out all the options trades in addition to the earnings Mr. Beats that I'm going to bring you. So let's jump right in this week. We're led off by a few interesting companies, and then we'll get the big banks at the end of the week. So we're going to start off with the financial, BlackRock. This is one of the biggest investment management firms in the country. They are coming off a rare miss here, though, but you can see because stock market's soaring, that means their assets are rising and the shares are at 5-year highs. This is one I'm going to be watching just to kind of see what's happening in the investment management side. Then we're going to have Delta Airlines. They always report the first of the airlines to go out the door. And you can see they too are coming off a rare miss last quarter. It was only their second or third miss. I see one very late there in 2012 at the very end of the chart. So the third miss in the last 5 years. Airlines have other problems, maybe with rising fuel costs and capacity issues. So this is one a lot of people are going to be watching to listen to that conference call. And then we're going to have Fasten. Now, I normally don't include them on here. They have had 5 misses in the last 5 years, but they put together a string of 3 beats in a row. Now, why did I include them with this awful chart? And it's because Fastenal's business is on the manufacturing side. We just had that really strong ISM for manufacturing number, the best in 13 years. This company should be benefiting from that. And if the manufacturing side really picks up, they should be breaking out of this chain, this trend that they've been in for the last 5 years. So this is one to watch if you want to know what's going on the manufacturing side and not so much for this awful chart. And then we're going to get BlackRock Network. I'm pretty sure I covered them last time. They've only been public since 2013, and then they have the 2 misses since 2014. But they've had 2 big beats in a row, and this is the digital payment side. They do a lot of gifts and loyalty programs on the digital side, so this is kind of an interesting area. If you're interested in what's going on there with the digital payments, this is one to tune in on. And then we're going to get the king of the restaurants to round out the non-banks this week, and it is, let's get it up there, Dominos. Yeah, they've had a couple misses. They've had 4 in the last 5 years, but nobody really cares because it's all about the comparables. So this is what everyone's going to be keeping their eyes on. The domestic was still strong last quarter, a little around 9%, I believe. The international was a little light compared to where the analysts were at only 2.6%. So everyone's looking for that international number to be a little bit better. International is about half of their business now, so you got to get that international number up. But how long can Domino's keep doing these kind of comps? It's the best in the business, even better than Chipotle is, at least right now. And so all eyes are going to be on Domino's. You see they did have the sell-off after that kind of weak comp last quarter, but they're back on the upswing, and can this be pushed to another new high? This is definitely one I'm going to be watching to see what's going to be happening with the restaurants. Like I said, all the other reports this week are mainly in the banking area, and I'll have another earnings video on the banks so you can tune in and see which of the banks have the best charts. But we're going to be having a lot of earnings coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'll be covering it all, and like I said, Dave Bartosiak at Zach's Live Trader will be covering the options trades. So be sure to tune in over there, and I'll see you again next time.